I am almost living my 1920s dream. One thing stands in the way. There we go. Bordering on Karen hairstyle, and I can't have that. I don't want to speak to any managers. So this will have to go. I have to sort of quirk it up a bit and follow this line. It's just below my ear, and cut that bit. So we'll see how I do. Right, almost done. I found a sort of system that works for me. I just I turn around, find the hair, bounce it out, and softly cut, doing a feathering technique, which is much better when the hair is not stuck to my skin. There we go. So it's getting sort of straight, but I'm going to use a feathering technique because I have fine hair and it looks really nice when I have feathered hair. So that's what I'm going to do. Alright, next bit I'm going to do from here, just cut off that little thing like this. Feather, feather, feather. Yeah, that's satisfying. Just okay, not completely straight, but I can fix it. Woke up like this. Just, yeah. I bleached it, don't get gross. I was watching a Brad Mondo video about highlighting or balayage, and I thought, I could do that, that's fine, that's fine. Look at the back. It's not fine. That's not fine. I should have paid it more attention, sorry. But I'm going to dye it, no bleach, just a 30 volume from the ends up, and then a 20 volume darker-ish, reddish bits around the roots, and then I'll blend them together. I don't know if I have to do the roots first or the ends and the mid part first, because colour processes quicker on your scalp. So see how I do. I sectioned it in 4 pieces, which will make somebody very happy. But what won't make somebody very happy is box dye. I'm going to use this box dye to make a sort of pearly, pinkish, reddish monstrosity. Hopefully it'll complement the red in my skin tone, and if it doesn't, I can just, bleach it again in 5 months. So here's my box dye. Boom! So, what I'm going to do is I've mixed the pearl, the red, and a tiny bit of intense ash. I don't want too much ash in my hair because that's what made it too burgundy, and I'm not into burgundy. So I'm going to dye my really short hair. Oi! Turn it around, you duffer! Bitch.
I'm sorry, I can't help but be gorgeous.
Okay, right. So this is what I'm going to do. So like that. Just want to start painting it like that. No, and I paint it like that. And then you touch it like this. Trying to get that. I'm using a 30 volume. Get that out of my face! Using a 30 volume because I do want a little bit of lightening, and I know hair dye doesn't lighten your hair, but it certainly helps if you have 30 volume, as far as I know. Wait! Point to me, I'm the star.
You're the star. No, everybody knows that I'm the star.
Get star.
Hello, sexy bitches! You're nowhere near as sexy than me.
Here it is. Little bit of banding here, but I was so focused on the back that I totally missed some of the front. And as a result, the back is pretty good, but the front bits have a bit more brightness to them, but I think it kind of works. But otherwise, yeah. Oh, it's kind of cool.